Hello, Sim Tech Bros. I want to give you a quick first look unboxing of the latest from Edifier, which has just landed. Hi-res audio and wireless, Bluetooth and 55 hours of battery, plus fast pair, and they're the WH950NB wireless noise cancellation over ear headphones. And that's what the box looks like there. Pretty nice. So you've got your active noise cancellation, ambient sound, ANC 4 mics, 40mm composite diaphragm drivers, safe volume 85 decibels, and foldable design. So these also come with LDAC codec for high-res audio. You have a personalised EQ, the Edifier Connect app as well, and you've got Google Fast Pair, as we just said. And we have got 1.5 hours to fully charge, and you get about 34 hours of playtime ANC on, 55 ANC off. But ANC is a big factor of killing battery, and of course their EQ settings like any other set of headphones or earbuds. So we'll find out what they're kind of like when we test them out. And you've got fast charging as well, which will give you 7 hours playback in 10 minutes, which is pretty good. 7 hours for 10 minutes charging. You cannot complain with that whatsoever. So that's the box. Shall we have a look inside? Of course we will. So we need to take off the label, and here we are. This is what we've got here, and we've more security tape on the inside. And I think that will do it. Okie dokie, so we've got everything in here. And we've got a nice hard case with the Edifier branding up front. Very nice. Hard on both sides. Zipper. So let's pop these off. Oh, very premium looking indeed. So we'll see what we have in here first. So we need to get rid of that bit first of all. You've got your 3.5mm cable here, and it's got Edifier branding on it. Got your adapter for travel, which is always cool to get, and your booklets. So that's pretty much it there. And here is the main star of the show, and they feel really premium indeed. And you've got a metal band up on top there, as you can see, with some soft plush leather underneath. Lovely cups there, as you can see. Again, marked left and right, and you can see they're deep enough as well. Quickly pop them on the head. Hello. They pretty much block out nearly everything from the outside. Now, we've got these gold accents here, and you've got more metal finish, and you've got this kind of soft plush finish here. So no fingerprints. Very good. Impressed with that. And you can see the Edifier branding on the side. That's your ratchet, typical ratchet extension on both sides there. You can see the movement in and out here, and you can see how far they twist there. And there's just a closer look inside here of what it looks like in there, so you can get an idea of what's going on. And they fold up as you've just seen, so they'll just pop back into your bag. So you've got your buttons here on the side. You've got an M button, which will be your mode. You've got your mics there, 3.5mm socket there, USB charging port here, and your keys here for navigation, skip, reverse tracks and all that. But we'll be going through all that in our full review anyway. So this is just a quick first look and unboxing of the latest headset from, or headphones from Edifier. And they're here now. We're looking forward to testing them out. And did these come off? Yeah, the cups are removable, so you can clean them. And again, you can see just inside there as well, which is repeated on this side here. So you have an idea of what they look like all around there now. And nice movement here too. So really looking forward to testing these out, because we've been doing too many earbuds. It's time to give some headphones a shot. And we're starting off with these. So stay tuned for the full review. And any questions, drop them down below. We'll gladly answer them for you as always. And of course we'll have a full hands-on review with a look at the app, the whole lot, rather than those stock image reviews we're seeing too much of here in Ireland in particular. We'll go through it all. We'll show you all and tell you all about it, and you'll see it in our hands. See you in the next video, and thanks for watching, and stay tuned. We'll see you then.